Hello students, today I am going to start the new chapter of English literature, that is Miracle Couriers. Students, Miracle Couriers was founded in January 2009 and it was started by Dhruv Lakra, who combined his education and experience and started this courier services to help the deaf people. The idea to help the deaf was triggered by one particular incident which he experienced while traveling on a bus. So now I am going to start the chapter. Dhruv was sitting on a bus next to a young boy looking eagerly out of the window. One day Dhruv was traveling by bus and one boy was sitting next to him. The boy seemed restless and lost. The boy was very restless and he was looking like he was lost and kept looking anxiously. What is the meaning of anxiously? Anxiously meaning is restlessly. It is an adverb. So the boy was very restless. Dhruv asked him where he was going, but the boy didn't respond. It took him a few seconds to realize that the boy could not hear or speak. After some time, Dhruv understood this thing that the boy was not able to hear or speak. He was deaf and mute. Deaf means deaf we call that people who are unable to hear. And mute means silent. So the boy was not able to speak or hear. Though the bus conductor regularly announced the stops. The bus conductor was keep on announcing the stops, but the boy did not know where he was. Dhruv took out a piece of paper and wrote in Hindi asking him where he was going. So what Dhruv did? Dhruv had taken out a paper and he had written in Hindi where the boy wanted to go. Through the back and forth exchange of pen and paper, it suddenly dawned on Dhruv how difficult life was for the deaf. So after some time while interacting with that boy, it came in Dhruv's mind that how difficult it was for the deaf people to do such a simple work. What is the meaning of dawned on? Dawn on, it's a phrasal verb and its meaning is strike. There are over 8 billion deaf people in our country. Approximately 8 million people are deaf in our country. People who are talented and intelligent. But one important fact is that these people are very intelligent and very talented. Deafness is an invisible disability. One cannot know when someone near them is deaf as there are no obvious physical attributes. Suppose someone is sitting next to you, you are not able to understand whether the people is deaf or not, because there is no physical signs that you can recognize that the people is deaf. So what is the meaning of obvious? Obvious meaning is clear. And what is the meaning of attributes? Attributes meaning is qualities. Owing to this, it is totally ignored. It is also a silent disability, as the person is not able to speak or hear. So we can say that it is a type of silent disability. There is very little public sympathy for the deaf. What is the meaning of sympathy? Sympathy meaning is kindness. You can observe this if any deaf people is around you. The people show a very little kindness, a very little sympathy for them. And as a result, a severe lack of government support for them in India. There is not so much support from the side of government also. In particular, when it comes to employment, opportunities are extremely limited as the majority of employers do not have the patience or the foresight to learn deaf language and culture. And students, if we talk about the employment sector for these deaf people, it is also very less, because to understand the language of deaf people, we should know a particular language. Do you know what is the name of that language? Okay, find it out. So, if we want to deal with our deaf people, first we have to learn that particular language. And in today's scenario, mostly people don't want to learn anything for anyone. So it's very difficult for the deaf people to do any job also. When they do find employment, it's mostly in the informal sector where they are poorly paid, only seasonally hired, and treated especially bad because of their disability. And students, somehow, if these deaf people can find a job, so it is in informal sector, their job is not fixed, they don't get such a good salary, and they are treated bad because of their disability. This is how the idea for miracle couriers was born in January 2009. After observing these all things, this idea of miracle courier came in Dhruv's mind in January 2009. Over the next few months, Dhruv spent his time exploring the deaf culture and learning the Indian Sign Language. After this incident, Dhruv had spent his few months in learning about the deaf culture and about that sign language that is used to communicate with the deaf people. He focused on a courier business because it requires a lot of visual skills but no verbal communication. When he thought about the employment of these deaf people, the idea which came in his mind was courier service, because courier service needs only visual skills and not any type of verbal communication is required. The deaf are extremely good at map reading, remembering roads and buildings because they are so visually inclined. These deaf people, even though they are not able to hear and speak, but God has given each and every person something special, some special qualities. So these deaf people are very good at map reading, remembering roads and buildings because they can connect with these things very easily. What is the meaning of extremely? Extremely means very. It is an adverb. And what is the meaning of inclined? Inclined meaning is willing. It is an adjective. The first step for miracle couriers was to tap the human potential in all their employees. So what is the main step for this miracle couriers? To find out the human potential. Many of the deaf people grow up in an overprotected environment or are subject to ill treatment for being different. So you can find these deaf people either in an overprotected environment, they are protected by their parents or their siblings a lot, or you can find them in a place where they are treated very badly. Miracle Couriers gave all its employees a competitive and professionally demanding environment. So what Miracle Couriers had done? They had given them a good environment, you can say a professional environment where they can work, forcing them to rise above their disabilities and rise up to take on challenges. This Miracle Couriers had motivated these deaf people to think above their disabilities. They had motivated them to understand their qualities, what these deaf people can do. Working at Miracle gives its employees immense confidence. While working with Miracle, these deaf people have got immense confidence. Immense means huge. So after working with this Miracle Couriers, that these deaf people are getting so much confidence. That becomes a much more valuable benefit than the financial independence they earn for themselves. Instead of being financially independent, the most important thing that these deaf people have got is the confidence. Consequently, many of them are able to go back home and support their families instead of being forced to be helplessly dependent on them. What is the meaning of consequently? Consequently meaning is as a result, and it is an adverb. So after working with Miracle, what these deaf people have got? As a result, many of them are now able to go back home. Now they are able to help their families financially. Over the last 2 years, Miracle Couriers has grown to operate in 2 branches in Mumbai. Over the last 2 years, Miracle Couriers has grown to operate in 2 branches in Mumbai. Now, in last 2 years, Miracle Couriers has settled 2 branches in Mumbai, employing 70 deaf individuals, delivering over 65,000 shipments per month. Now, Miracle Courier has given employment to 70 deaf individuals and they are delivering approximately 65,000 shipments per month. The back office is run by 20 hard-working deaf female employees with practically acquired knowledge in data entry and manipulation, tracking and scanning, sorting and other branch operations. The back office of Miracle Courier is handled by 20 deaf females, and these females are deaf. They are very good in data entry, manipulation, tracking and scanning, sorting and other branch operations. 44 working as the deaf male employees, courier agents. How many courier agents they are having? 44 deaf male. Navigate the complex lanes of Mumbai. They travel on public transport to avoid traffic. How these deaf people travel to deliver the shipments? Through public transport. And while doing their job, they also manage to remain conscious of maintaining a low carbon footprint. Now, when these deaf people are working, they are very conscious. Conscious meaning is alert. So while everything from pickup to delivery is carefully planned in sign language, whatever is doing in the process of courier services, that is perfectly planned in sign language that is used to communicate with the deaf people. The field agents receive instructions via cell phone message. How the field agents receive instructions? Through cell phones. Client address and time for picking up documents is given to them. Everything is given, every detail is given to these people through cell phone messages. Upon arriving at the client's office, the shipments are counted and a count confirmation message is sent back to the branch supervisor. So after they have reached to the client office, there they count the shipments, how many shipments they have to deliver, and then they send a confirmation message to branch supervisor. Once the packages arrive at the branch, they are sorted, processed and prepared for delivery. Now in branch office, they separate each and every shipment, means for which area they are, and then they prepare that shipments for delivery. The back office staff sort the shipments based on pin codes. How these people sort these shipments? On the basis of pin code. Every area is having a particular pin code. So on the basis of that pin code, they divide that shipments. Further sorting is carried out by each field agent who is responsible for designated area of delivery. Now sorting is done by each field agent. Field agent is the person who is responsible for the delivery of that particular shipment in that particular area. These super savvy agents have mastered the narrow lanes and unmarked buildings of the area. Now these people, super savvy agents, savvy meaning is intelligent. So these people are very savvy, very intelligent. It is an adjective. And they are very intelligent in recognizing the lanes, roads and buildings. Once sorted, each document is given a tracking code and entered into the system. Now after the sorting, sort means to arrange. What is the meaning of sort? Sort means to arrange. Now after arranging all the shipments, each document is given a tracking code and entered into the system. Now after they have arranged, they have given tracking code to each shipment and they entered these tracking code in the system. This allows the company to track and maintain transparency as to who is responsible for which shipment. On the basis of these tracking code, the company can recognize, the company can find who is responsible, which field agent is responsible for which shipment. Transparency means clarity. A digital delivery status report is then returned to the clients the day after the delivery. The primary language used at Miracle Courier is the Indian Sign Language. Which sign language is used? ISL. I for Indian, S for sign and L for language. So Indian Sign Language is used while working in Miracle Courier. The Miracle Force is, needless to say, fluent in the language. Needless to say, it is a phrase and its meaning is naturally. So the people who are working with Miracle, they are very good, they are naturally fluent in the language that is ISL, Indian Sign Language. Communication between miracle field agents and branch staff during the day is done via text messaging. Now, if the branch office people want to connect with the field agents, how they connect? They connect with them through the text messaging. Text messaging has been a wonderful technological advancement for the deaf, allowing them to communicate complex and varied messages over long distance. With the help of these messages, these deaf people can easily communicate with the branch office people, and whatever communication is there, it's complex or it's simple, they can communicate with that branch office people. This also allows the management team members or the branch to broadcast information to all agents, whether they are at home or on the field. So these deaf people, these deaf field agents are either at home or on the field. These branch office people can easily communicate with them. The back office supervisors are trained in professional etiquette and productive techniques associated with email messaging, which is done in English. Now, these back office supervisors are fully trained in professional etiquette. Etiquette means code of conduct, or you can say polite behavior in society, in which one has to do all the works. So these these back office supervisors are very trained. They have got training in email, also how to do emails, and the email messaging is done in English. As the CEO of the company, Dhruv spends his time meeting new clients, looking after the finances and leading the company forward. So now what is the work of Dhruv? Dhruv, you remember that person on a bus who was traveling on a bus, founder of Miracle Couriers. So now the Dhruv is CEO of the company. So what he has to do? He has to do meetings with the clients, new clients. He has to look after the finance sector, and he has to think about the new ideas by which he can lead the company forward. Their services are currently available only in Mumbai, but soon we will get their services in all over India. The organization has won several awards. Now, which awards this organization has won? 2009 Helen Keller Award and the 2010 National Award for the Empowerment of People with Disabilities. This National Award for the Empowerment of People with Disabilities was awarded to Miracle Couriers by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Students, this is all about the explanation of this chapter. Thank you so much.